Hi, welcome to WISE version 2 demo video. In this video, I will demonstrate how each user can use our system. First, I will show you professor or teacher account, then student guardian account, then account admin account, and finally system admin account. Let's first go to our homepage at wise4edu.com. If you click price and demo, then click this orange button, then you can try the demo. I will demonstrate using my local system. Let's first log on using teacher's account. On the top, you see language change button, and you see time information. You can extend the logout time. Then here shows semester information and user ID. If you click on this question mark, it will pop up the system manual. You can download it as a PDF file. You can log out, and as you can see, we try to make it fit into small screens, so it has icons and it will display mostly on the small screens. Okay, you see a number of icons, course, calendar, and so on. I will explain one by one in detail. Okay, next you can see some other information like absence application. If this system is for PK-12 and if this teacher is a homeroom teacher will receive absence application from guardians and can approve or disapprove. And then you can see other information like BBS for computer science. This teacher is assigned to computer science department. Okay? And other information including system announcement and announcement for students, because a teacher should know what announcement made for students and also for guardians. At the bottom, you see our own Moodle and nGrade-like system called CMS. So first one is, it shows what course do I teach today. So at 10:10, I'm teaching this class. If you click on this, okay, you can go to the attendance checking screen directly. Okay, so let's try to check attendance. So basically, there are a lot of students, 15 of them. So select everybody and make it present. Okay, and go to individual student and make it absent, okay, or late. Okay, it'll be very efficient. Okay, the next one is for the CMS items. Item means it can be homework, quiz, then exams. So it shows there is one quiz today, okay, that students have to submit, right? And then homework, okay, session. Okay. All right. Let's begin with the icons. Okay, the first icon, course. From here, you can see the list of courses that this teacher. Let's assume I'm the teacher. I'm teaching 3 courses this semester. Okay, you can see the previous one as well. Okay, if you click on course ID, you can see the detailed information about the course. The next one is for the CMS. I will show it at the last, and then it shows other information like how many students got enrolled and course date, time, room number. If you click on student, you can see the list with the contact information. And you can grade here. Okay, let's try to click on this. And yeah, right now it is a grading period, so you can give grade. Grading is easy. Because simply you write the number, then it will turn into the right letter grade. Okay, sometimes you make mistakes, so it goes out the range, then it will pop up the error message. Okay, then if it is special grade like attendance fail or incomplete withdrawal, you can do so. Okay, then this is about the course evaluation. If students do that, then you can see that, and you can upload the syllabus here. You can take a look at as a PDF. Okay, then the next one is it shows how you did attendance and also lesson plan. Okay, using this function, teachers can submit lesson plan using file. You can upload files for each course session. Okay, will be later approved by Dean of Academic or disapproved. Okay, so we have a lot of features. I'm not going to go over every detail. Okay, all right. So now let's try the CMS. So let's try this course. Okay, and then there are many tabs. First tab is a basic CMS course. So you can see the weeks. Okay, so there are 16 weeks. Yeah, normally there are 16 weeks, right? And each week will have attendance session. Okay, then you can see the already checked attendance sessions. So here is late 1, absence 1. So if you click on it, and you can see, okay, what did. So indeed, after you check the attendance, you should click confirm, so nobody else can modify the attendance data. Academy actually can do this as well. So if you confirm, okay, then it's no longer being modified. Okay, attendance confirmed. Okay, so let's try attendance sheet. So yeah, it shows all the attendance checking data, or you can print as yeah, on a paper. Then you can just use a pen and pencil and do that. Okay, you can see the monthly, or you can see everything. You can print it. Okay, and also you can download as an Excel. Okay, all right, there are more items to show. Okay, by the way, you see this means it is checked, so you cannot modify. Okay, there are items like announcement. Okay, it shows that there is one file. Okay, there is a homework session. Okay, this is a due date, cutoff date, and there's a portion, and there are 3 files. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, then you can change it later. Okay, the portion and due date, everything. Okay, you attach it 3 files. Okay, then here you can give grade. Okay, in all, or if you click on one of them, then you can give comment, okay, to each submission of student. Okay, it shows some statistics. Okay, yeah. This yellow highlighted row represent, this is a current week. Okay. Okay, let's go to the second tab, which is a grading policy. Okay, using this, you can customize the portions, as you want. So attendance can be 10%, homework 15. You can just change whatever you want. Okay. Then also you can predefine number of quizzes and number of exams. Then you save, and if you click apply to CMS button, the system will automatically create quizzes and exams for you. Okay, then you can define many other things like attendance fail time, then absence minus, late minus, yeah, and late equal to absence. It can be 2 absence can become 1 2 late, it becomes 1 absence, and so on. Okay, yeah. The third tab shows the grade, okay, of all students, okay, according to each items. It can be homework, project, and others, right? So there are many things, but quickly I will show you an interesting feature. Okay, so CMS total means so far you have created items which will cover 35 points. Okay, then this student got 31.8. Okay, so let's try to click expected, and if do best. Okay, it is an interesting feature. So for this student, okay, currently he got like this, but what is expected? So if that means if the student does what he has been doing, he will receive 90.9, okay, which will be A. Okay, but if students do her best, then she can get up to like this. Okay, so this screen is available to each student, which will give them motivation to study more. Okay, fourth tab is about grade. Okay, yeah, the next tab I showed you. the last tab is a course VBS. Then you can create our course VBS. Okay, and here you can write and students can reply. You can upload files. So this is a free VBS for this course. Students can ask questions. Okay, so using CMS, you can provide good education. Okay, you can have a bidirectional education with students. Okay, let's go to the other icon, which is calendar. Then calendar is basically the year calendar. So today is October 25th. Then says I have one course. I'm teaching one course. I have one homework due by today, one quiz today. Okay, so if you click on, you will go to the session directly. Okay, so this is a big picture. Okay, of your all course activities of this semester. Timetable icon will show you the timetable of this semester. Okay, you can also download and then print. Okay, this icon you can do counseling. Okay, so yeah, let's click on this. Okay, and then you can make a journal, and also you can chat with students. Okay, this is a real-time training. Okay, and you can see the list of the mentees. Okay, the next one is forms. Then profile. From here you can change your password, and you can see basic other information. Okay. Announcement. Okay, so yeah, as I showed you, there are many announcements, but here you can find some other announcements which are not shown in the login page. Okay, unless there is a new one, it doesn't have to be shown on the main page. But here you can see full announcement. Because I'm a faculty member, it shows announcement for faculty members and all others. Okay. Okay. If you are a homeroom teacher, you will see, okay, instance in under this icon. So this semester I'm in charge of one class, grade 3. Class name is ABC. If you click, it also shows a lot of tabs. Okay. The first one is a class student, and you see many information, including guardian information and the course grade information. Second tab is grade report. Okay, basically it lists all the students with all the courses, and it shows the statistics. Okay, the next one is daily weekly report of the attendance. Okay. The fourth one is it shows class course information. Okay, then there's an interesting feature. Okay, if you define midterm or final or any other like a national exam from CMS, you can see the result from here. So let's try see if there's anything for midterm exam. Right now there's nothing. So let's try to add one thing. Okay, so let's open another tab. Okay, and let's go to course. We will do it quickly. So let's go to introduction to computer. Okay, and let's add midterm exam here. So you exam. Okay, portion is maybe 30%. Max score is 100. Okay, and let's say today just exam is today, and you can show the step 2 student. Okay, there is a other function like a detailed evaluations. Okay, and basically you create the session, and then okay, you give grade. Okay, so 95. Okay, let's save. Okay, then let's get back to that screen. Okay, here now you will see excuse me, I have to assign this as midterm exam here. Okay, so here you can assign. Let's save. Okay, then now you can see this from here. Okay, there's no midterm exam right now, but now UC midterm exam. Okay, so if you click on this, it will show the statistics, okay, with a nice graph. Okay. Next tab is class information, and also data announcement, general announcement, and free BBS for this class, and also BBS for guardians of this class. Okay. Okay. Then finally, yeah, this is absence application. Then when guardians, parents submit absence application, and you can take a look at, and also you can take a look at if parents attach it like a doctor's letter, you can take a look at, and then you can approve or disapprove. Okay, so let's approve. Okay, you see it got approved. All right, that was teacher's account. Now let's try student account. Okay, basically the same kind of user interface, but more icons. Okay, then the same thing, a lot of announcements, and here you can see counseling. Okay, because yeah, when the counselors ask for a counseling session, or student can apply for a counseling session, then it will be shown here. Okay, also you can do chatting with the counselor here. Other information, then this is the same thing. So as a student here, I have 2 courses today. This is a time, and also I have 3 CMS items. I have 1 quiz, I have 1 homework, I have 1 midterm exam, okay, today. Okay, the first icon is about course registration. Okay, right now is course registration period, and by the way, this is a tuition paid rate. So financial admin can control registration. Okay, yeah, if the students did not pay the tuition fee, the students cannot do registration. Okay, so the way it works is basically student can search, then student can add. Okay, maximum credits are over because it's already maximum credit. Okay. And also during the add and drop period, students can drop a course. Okay. Second one is a course icon. Then it shows all the courses that I'm taking in this semester. You can see previous semester's record. Okay. So I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courses, and it shows some other information, and including syllabus. If you click on the CMS, you see all the attendance checking information. Then here is a quizzing information, homework information. If you click on this, okay, this is already done, so you cannot submit. So here you can submit the homework. You can see the evaluation result. Okay, and also there is a free BBS for this course. Okay. Okay. The next icon is grade. Okay, so there are 4 tabs. The first one is grade by semester. Then here, this is not an official transcript, so you can see every single detail, including this is a retaken course, so it doesn't have to include it as a part of the grade. Okay, and if you received academic warning, it will show that. Okay, and also the second tab, it shows grade by subject type. Okay, subject type. The third one is semi-official transcript. Okay, the last one is course evaluation during the given period. Okay, the next icon shows my teachers who teach in this semester, who teach me with the contact information. Next one is my profile. Then timetable of this semester, the forms, okay, and counseling. So using this, you can apply for a counseling session. You can take a look at who are my advisors. Okay, the calendar, basically same as teacher's account. So today I have 2 courses, 1 homework, 1 quiz, 1 exam. and announcement. Okay. Then tuition fee information. Okay. So how much money I got charged, how much money did I pay. You can see that from here. Then the last one is if it is a PK12, okay, you will be a student will be part of a class, right? So I'm in 3rd grade and class name ABC. Then you can see your evaluation data, announcement, and timetable of the class. Okay. All right. Now let's try a Guardian account. Okay. Basically, Guardian account is very similar to a student, but it is read-only. But Guardian can have more than one kid, right? So in this case, we just added a lot. There are 5 keys under this Guardian account. Let's select one of them. Okay. So basically, it's the same as student screen. Okay. But except as a Guardian, you have a permission to apply for absence application. So for example, you can write a new application saying this is like a today. Then you can set the time. And you can even send an email to homeroom teacher. Okay. So say my kid is sick. Okay. Then you can attach like a doctor's letter here. Okay. Right. See, you added one, and it is status rating. Okay. The teacher's review, then approve or disapprove, then status will be changed. Okay. And this one you can see from here because you just added. Okay. All right. So finally, finally, I will show you a CAD admin account. Okay. Yeah, a CAD admin will handle all academics. Okay, so there are many menus here. So I will show you very quickly because this video is a quick overview. Okay, login screen shows some board or counseling absence application information, and here the calendar, just like the teacher students calendar, it shows all the activities of the school. Okay, that's this icon does. Let's click on the first one. It shows the dashboard. Okay, so number of students 83. Okay, there are 3 temporary absent. There are 1 exchange inbound. Then there are 40 female students and 35 male students. If you double click, then it will show according to the year. 1st grade 22, 9 male, 13 female, and so on. Okay. The third one is about professor. Okay. Fifth one, fourth one is guardian. The next one is course. Okay. If you double click it, it shows how many courses were created per subject type. Okay, and it shows some other information like a disk space usage. Okay, now let's try the student menu. There are like 5 submenus. First one is student management. Okay, so if you search, basically it shows everything about students. Okay, then this is all sortable by this. Okay, so yeah, it can show the photos, and let's click one student. Okay, and here shows a lot of information. So basic information and the extra information and student history. Okay, because we want to see if the students received disciplinary warning or scholarship, and when the student transferred to other department, when she got promoted to the next year. Okay, and course taking information of the student, and study plan is for Indonesian school mostly, and grade information, okay, by semester, grade by subject type, and shows a tuition fee information and timetable in counseling log. Okay, and the first one is you can reset the password for the students. Okay. All right, and then you see the guardian if the guardian is assigned to students. Okay, then you see there is class information if it is PK12, and tuition fee paid information, and here it shows the student history. So this student got 1 warning. okay, when, okay, what about it, and also one scholarship, and so on. You can see the timetable of the student. Okay. Yeah, and if you select, okay, then you can see the student in a nice table. You can copy the like email address into clipboard, so you can send the email to the student. Okay. All right. Student history is just like I showed you. It handles that history. Okay. The third one is a relationship. You can define a relationship because a teacher can have a kids attending the same school. Then the school may give some scholarship, right? So for that, you can just define the relationship. Counseling is for counseling absence application. Yeah. Guardian menu is basically the same interface, but it shows the children assigned to each guardian. Okay. Next one is professor. Okay. And yeah, basically the same interface. It shows a relation. If this teacher is a parent, then the keys there are two of them. Okay. It shows class information if it's PK12. So the class information and timetable of this teacher. Okay. Yeah, let's go to class. So class should not be confused with course. Class is for PK12, you know. So there's only one class because it's just demo. Okay, so third grade class name ABC. Then you can see all the detail just like a teacher's account. Okay, so I will skip it. Next course, the first one is subject, and you see there is subject and there is course. So what are they? Subject is a template or blueprint. The course is a real instance. So every semester or every other semester, you create courses from subject. So first you have to define all the subject. So it shows the list of subject with the created courses. Okay. Okay. Then next one is course registration information. From here you can see the registration status. Okay. The next one is about the course evaluation. So you can define a template. Okay. Then preview. Then you can create. Okay. Then the students can do course evaluation. Next one is showing all the data, the evaluation data, course evaluation, and also course result, grade. Okay, so all raw data it will show you. Okay, then each course, and then you can see the statistics. So you see the graph and average and other statistics. Okay, and this is a similar thing as I showed you before at CMS. So if you click on it, then it will show now midterm exam result as well. Okay. Next one is graph by department. Okay, to department. Okay. Graph by school, graph by subject type, graph by student year. Okay. So it seems that fifth grader did the best job. Okay. And if the students did the evaluation, it will show here. Okay. The last tab is summary by instructor, and it will help school admin then to see how many courses, how many credits each teacher teaches, and with their performance in average. So let's sort it out. Okay. So far, T02 teacher did the best in terms of average. Okay, but also you can sort it out according to evaluation. Okay, yeah, and you can also handle CMS things like a grading policy, lesson plan, and the last menu is for academic program. It is too detailed. You can watch our video. Okay, so the grade menu. You can see all the information about the grade. Okay, so a list of courses, and you can see all the statistics. Okay, Next one is grade by student. From here, you can enter the transferred grade. Okay, the transcript shows, yeah, basically all the transcripts. Okay, so first it can show you the semester grade and semester score, as well as overall grade and score. Okay, let's click on one student. Okay, by the way, so using this you can sort it out who is the best student in terms of GPA, in terms of score, or this semester. Okay, so let's take a look at a student. Okay, then again the grade by semester, grade by subject type. Then you can see semi-official transcript. Okay, it will be customizable through the transcript options. So using this, you can set many things, whether you want to show subject code or letter grade, and you can, yeah, show the logo, or which side, and student photo, header 1, 2. Then here other information like student ID, names. You can add or reduce the rows and columns. You can put your footer here. There's also semester transcript for PK12. It can be customized by the step. Okay, and you can see the course information and student history as well. Okay, all right, and yeah, tuition fee information is for the financial department. Okay, I'm not going to show this. Okay. Form is yeah, there could be many forms from different departments. Okay, you can do the management. Announcements. Okay, the academics can do an announcement for all students and to all faculty members and guardians and so on. Okay, there are many code. Okay, there are 3 different types of codes: system code, ACAD code, financial code. Okay, first under system code, academic department. Okay, so here it shows more information because this is a super system. Let me show you this from other screen. Okay, so this is from our demo website. Let's log on. Yeah, okay, we have to try one more time. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay, let's go to code once again. Yep, academic department, and you see all the department, and indeed this is a system code. So using sysadmin, you can enable, disable this code, and you can modify, okay, according to 3 different names defined. Name 1 English, name 2 Korean, name 3 Russian. It got defined like that. Okay, I know this is Chinese, so it's not. This is a simple demo. Okay, then many other codes. Okay, acadmin, for acadmin, the second code set, ACAD code is the most important one. Okay, there are many things, and you can define year, semester, day, time, credit, and so on. But the most important thing is this 2, GPA system and GPA. GPA system, then it will list the GPA system. So you can use predefined GPA system like a 4.0, 3, 5, or you can add your own customized GPA system. Okay. After that, you can design it's a single grade. Okay, so this is a 4.0 right now. Okay, then like for example A grade, okay, is like a point is 4, then low score, high score here. Okay, and many other things. So you can change low score, like I want to give A 85 to 100. Okay, then the B should be changed, right? So it should be 84.9. Okay, the high, low, high. Okay, so likewise you can customize the grade system. Okay, right. Okay, okay, let's get back to our previous one. Okay, all right, that's the code, and finally there are system setting menu. Okay, I'm gonna show you using a system admin account, but I want to show you lastly batch data processing. Okay, batch data processing is a very useful function because from menu you can enter student and guardian professors and course and everything, but it is very tedious. Okay, you have to click millions of times. So in this menu you can download as an Excel, and you modify, you can upload, and it will be updated for you. Okay, so for example, let's try quickly student. Okay, so you can select year, okay, or here is a department. Okay, then let's download as an Excel. You open it and you can see all the information of a student, right? So then here, I mean, there's a legend, okay? Then you can modify, for example, their name and many other information. You save, okay? Then you can upload. Okay, let's say they by modified. Oh, this is not the right folder. Download. Okay, so this one. So click the plus button. Then see, this will be changed like this. And everything okay. Then you can click continue. Then see, it got updated. Okay. So finally, I will show you sysadmin. Okay. Sysadmin basically similar to acadadmin, but sysadmin's job is to manage all the system in low level. So I will show you a couple of things. First, system variables. Using this menu, you can set many things about the system, so including time zone and the current semester, resident semester, and all the dates. Okay, and like a GPA system, then the max register credit, and academic warning information, and so on. Okay, and also you can upload the logo. Another thing is the permission control. So it shows all the system roles, like a system admin, acadadmin, and there is a financial admins in like a president and librarians. Then there are list of modules, system user and course and grade and evaluation and everything. So you can define their access permission, read, modify, add, delete. Okay, by this. Okay, so our system is highly secure. You can say that. Okay, thanks for watching.